sometimes you ask yourself that what is the meaning of what you are doing right now? Because it seems to be useless, aimless, or whatever bad words you want to say about it. But I'm sure you will change your mind and stay positive after listening to this real story. Steve Jobs, at the Stanford commencement speech, said that giving this speech to the student was the closest thing he came to graduating college. He never finished college. He recalls that the working class savings that his parents had made their entire life was being spent on his tuition on a college. He says was almost as expensive as Stanford. After 6 months, he couldn't see the value in it and dropped out. Not knowing where to go in life, he decided to take a class in calligraphy. However, he didn't see any practical application for it in life. Ten years later, they were designing the first Macintosh computer, and it all came back to him. He used the ideas that he had learned in calligraphy class, including the different types of typography, and put it in the mug. You know, it was the first computer to have beautiful typography, which has affected the different types of typography that we use today. If he had never dropped out in college, he would have never taken that calligraphy class, and personal computers might not have the wonderful typography that they do today. Somehow you just have to trust yourself and have faith that you will reach your dreams despite not having the slightest clue or a perfectly laid out road to where you are going. Nobody can connect the dots looking forward. You only can connect them when you are looking backwards, right? And you have to trust that the dots will somehow connect in the future. You have to trust in something, whether it is karma or destiny. But trusting yourself is the first step towards feeling inspired and having the motivation to move forward.